One of the things which I always emphasize in my ADHD coaching is not doing the things that you just shouldn't be doing. And in ADHD, there are so many things that we just excel at, that we're exceptional at. There's a whole host of things that we just don't really do that well, let's be real. And so instead of, look, people come to me wanting me to help them with all the things that they just inherently are bad at, and I'm just not that interested. Instead, I want them to focus on the stuff that they're so talented at, that comes naturally to them, all those areas that they can so consistently hyper-focus in and on, so that they can leverage that, make money from that, whatever, so that they can pay people to do the shit they shouldn't be doing. Like cleaning the house or doing, I don't know, making meals, whatever. The very basic stuff that we so often get preoccupied with, deciding that's what we need to focus all our effort and attention on. What if we didn't care about that? What if we realized how incredible we could be in certain departments, put all of our attention and energy in those areas, and then just used our results from that to outsource and delegate for all the things that, frankly, we really shouldn't be doing? What if we did that? Every time I've guided clients to being able to do just that, it's gone very, very well. And every time I've been unable to guide people away from their fixation on, oh, I have to do this thing that I just can't do inherently, I just wish I could, let me strive and push incessantly towards this impossible goal. When I can't pull people away from that, they're stuck on it, it's very hard for me to get good results and outcomes.